Well, if you have thought about getting a facelift, but you can't bear the thought of going under the knife, there is a new concept in cosmetic medicine that you might be interested in. It's called liquid facelift. We checked it out, and after a series of injections, you can look younger. Would you like to reduce those wrinkles and tighten up sagging skin? A liquid facelift may be for you.
If someone's 60, they bring in a picture when you were 40. It's not a very unrealistic expectation to achieve that look non-surgically.
Birmingham dermatologist Dr. Ginsburg says a liquid facelift involves Botox injections in addition to fillers like Restylane to replace lost volume in the face. Women may choose to get injections throughout their whole face or just focus on problem areas. 54-year-old Jan Brooks wants to add plumpness to her chin, which she says has started to drop off.
I have more of a weak chin from the profile, and it will actually fill that in and make it more defined.
Dr. Ginsburg injects a filler into the tip of her chin. You can immediately tell a difference. Here is a look at her before and after pictures. You can see that more pronounced chin. We caught up with her shortly afterwards.
We've improved it about 50%, and maybe in another month we can come back again and even put in a little bit more. But not only gives the chin a better appearance, but it pulls this out. If there's any loose skin under the chin, it pulled that out. It tightened the area here.
41-year-old Sherry Hessla says the older she's gotten, the more tired she looks. After numbing the skin, Dr. Ginsburg injects a filler into the circles under her eyes. Here's a look at her before and after pictures. You can notice a subtle difference.
The close family, they can tell a lot of difference in the way I look. They can say it looks like it's taking years off.
Susan White wants to look younger without plastic surgery. Dr. Ginsburg injects a filler into the circles under her eyes and a small amount into her smile lines. Let's take a look at her before and after pictures. The main difference is in those lines between her nose and mouth.
The puffiness has evened out and the expression lines aren't as visible.
Just to show you an example of an all-over liquid facelift, take a look at this woman in her 70s. She underwent a drastic change after a series of Botox and fillers. She looks years younger without surgery. But Dr. Ginsburg says it's important to keep in mind that liquid facelifts are not permanent.
It is temporary. It may last 6 months or a year or 2 years, but if you don't like it, at least you know it's going to go away. You're not stuck with scars or an unwanted result.
Well, as far as downtime after these injections, there really isn't any. A lot of patients just go right back to work. Sometimes there is some bruising and some swelling, but that subsides within a week or so.